full of wonders. Shall we explore some of them in animals? Chameleon. It is a type of lizard. It changes its skin color to merge with the surroundings. This helps it to escape from its enemies. Lizard. Lizards have toe pads that help them stick on to the wall. If the tail of the lizard is cut, it grows back in 1 or 2 months. This is the picture of the toe pads of the lizard. Spider. Spiders make thread called spider silk, with which they create spider web. The threads in the web are very strong and sticky. The webs help the spider catch insects for its food. Dog. Dogs can smell much better than us. They can hear very soft sounds and sounds from far away. They are trained and used by the police to identify thieves. Rat. Rats can live without water for longer periods of time. They can bite hard wood with their teeth. Some of their teeth keep growing. Snail. The snail has 2 pairs of feelers on its head. One pair is long and other is short. The eyes are on the longer pair. If we touch the snail, it pulls its body back into its shell. Thank you.